Hello, my name's Karen Crookes from Sunflower Stitches. So what I always do is I will take my pieces of fabric and I will use some starch first on it. And this will just to help stabilise all of the fabric. Now, a lot of these pieces are 1.5 inch squares, which is what we're going to be using for a lot of the blocks that we're going to create. So you can reuse, you can cut off your pieces, don't throw any of these pieces away. And one of the most important aspects that you'll find with this quilt is having a small square. So I use Creative Grid squares because I love them because they're so clear, and they've also got little blobs on the back of them which helps not to slide over your fabrics.